There was a time when for about 10 days, as if we never saw any human being, traveling for 10 complete days. We never saw any human being. It took about 3 months from Qadian to go to Sierra Leone. It took us more than 3 months. And I became seriously sick, ill, because of that long journey. I remember when we were about to board the ship, every passenger had to be checked by a doctor to make sure that he is fit to travel. So when I went for checking, the doctor looked at me and took my temperature and saw me and saw my condition. And he told my father that this boy I cannot carry because he is at the point of death. And in our ship, we don't have a cold storage. I will only carry him on the condition that you sign on this paper. They are the special paper. You sign on this paper that if he dies on the way, you will allow us to throw him overboard. I remember my mother, I was the only son, and she started crying and said, let's take another ship. My father said, don't worry about him. Nothing is going to happen. He said, I do not know when I will get another ship. I am a missionary. I have been assigned a duty by Hazrat Amir al-Momin. I faintly remember that he held my hand, my arm, and he told the doctor, he said, where do I have to sign? And then he jokingly or very sternly also said, if he dies, throw him into the sea, but nothing will happen to him. So that 11-year-old kid is over 75 years old now. When Allah Ta'ala wants to save you, miraculous things happen.